Samsung users, brace yourselves. One UI 7 with Android 15 is finally making its grand debut, and it's so much more than just a visual refresh. Whether you're rocking a Galaxy S24 Ultra, a Galaxy Z Fold, or even an older S21 model, this update is going to transform how you use your phone in ways that might just surprise you. This isn't just a system update, it's a whole new experience designed to make your device feel futuristic, smarter, and more personalized than ever. And by the time we get to the end of this video, you'll probably be as excited as we are about what's coming your way. So don't even think about skipping. Trust me, you'll want to see everything Samsung has cooked up this time. So here's the big news. One UI 7 officially starts rolling out on April 7, and Samsung is going global with it. Users in countries like South Korea, Germany, and the UK will be the first to get it, while those in the US should see it by April 10. Other regions are expected to follow shortly after. Now, while the Galaxy S25 will launch with One UI 7 out of the box, this update will land on recent flagship devices like the Galaxy S24, S23, S22, S21, and even the Fan Edition models. And don't worry, tablet users aren't being left out. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, Tab S9 series, and others are all lined up to receive it as well. What's truly exciting this time around is how Samsung is leaning into AI-driven upgrades and visual design that's cleaner, smarter, and far more interactive. First up, let's talk about the fresh new design language. One UI 7 introduces refined icons, new widgets in customizable shapes, and a much more modern interface. But here's the part that's got everyone talking. The app drawer is now vertical by default. It's a bold shift, though if you're not a fan, you can toggle it back to horizontal. Still, the new layout feels snappier and makes app navigation a breeze for one-handed use. Now, the multitasking interface has received a serious glow up. Samsung has added an elegant overlapping card effect that creates a sense of depth. It's like having a 3D interface on your home screen. It doesn't just look amazing, it helps you feel more in control of what's running in the background. You still get all the familiar functions like pop-up view and split screen, but now everything feels more fluid and visually satisfying. Let's talk about the control center. Samsung has split the quick toggles and notifications into two distinct panels. Swiping down from the top right gives you instant access to your quick panel, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flashlight, and more, while the top left reveals your notification panel. It's reminiscent of iOS, but Samsung gives you the freedom to revert to the combined panel if you miss the old style. It's all about giving you control. And speaking of control, say hello to the Now bar, Samsung's version of Apple's Dynamic Island, but with a twist. This persistent mini widget lives on your lock screen, delivering live updates for music, sports, countdown timers, voice recordings, and more. Imagine tracking a football match or your favorite podcast without unlocking your phone. It's all right there, smoothly integrated. It even works with apps like Spotify and your native clock and voice recorder. Swipe between these little pills and instantly interact with them. Pause music, check a timer, or manage a voice recording with just a tap. Another visual delight comes with the new charging animation. One UI 7 replaces the old circular graphic with a sleek, minimalist bar that glides across the screen. It looks cleaner, syncs with the system theme, and adds a futuristic vibe to something as simple as plugging in your phone. Even the battery icon has been redesigned for the first time in years. Now it's larger, rounded, and displays the percentage inside the icon itself. It's a tiny change, but one that makes a big visual difference. One feature that flew under the radar but deserves way more attention is the folder expansion feature. Instead of tapping and waiting for a folder to open, you can now expand folders into widget-like boxes on your home screen. It saves time, reduces taps, and feels like something that should have existed years ago. Now let's dive into the AI revolution happening inside your Galaxy. Samsung has supercharged One UI 7 with smarter tools like AI Select, a rebranded version of Smart Select. It can now understand the content you highlight, be it an address, phone number, or even part of an image, and instantly offer relevant actions. Want to call, search, or translate? One tap and it's done, and that's just the beginning. There's also AI search integrated directly into the Gallery and Settings apps. This lets you find your photos or system settings using vague keywords. Can't remember the name of a setting? Just type in what you're looking for and let the AI do the rest. It's fast, accurate, and deeply helpful. But heads up, some of these AI features might be limited to newer models, especially the Galaxy S22 and up. Older devices like the S21 might miss out on some functionalities due to hardware constraints. Then there's Now Brief, a new daily assistant that summarizes your day, calendar events, weather reminders, and offers actions based on your routine. It's like a personal assistant that actually learns and adapts, and it keeps getting smarter the more you use it. Customization lovers, get ready. Samsung has added AI-generated stickers right inside the Samsung keyboard. When you're chatting on WhatsApp or Telegram, you can generate unique stickers with custom prompts. Just type something like "Cool Panda with sunglasses in 3D," and boom, you've got a personalized sticker ready to go. Choose from different styles like illustration, retro, or emoji, and create stickers that express your personality. This is going to be huge for anyone who loves standing out in chats. And we haven't even covered everything yet. The camera app has been tweaked for faster access, better one-handed usability, and a cleaner UI overall. Expect quicker shots, easier access to pro features, and less clutter on your screen. And yes, that also means enhancements to image processing and stabilization on supported models. Let's not forget some of the more practical updates. The volume and brightness sliders have been reworked to be more intuitive. The full-screen media player has been redesigned. Even the notification icons and status bar elements have been fine-tuned for better legibility. And behind the scenes, Samsung has worked on improving system efficiency, reducing power drain, and optimizing background activity. Now, if you're wondering when your specific model will receive One UI 7, here's what we know. The Galaxy S24, Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and Tab S10 Ultra are first in line starting April 7. US users will get it around April 10, and the rest of the world should follow by mid-April. Devices like the S23, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and Tab S9 are next, with the rollout continuing through the end of April. Mid-range phones and older models should begin receiving updates by early May, but remember, exact dates may vary depending on your region and carrier. So whether you're using your phone for work, entertainment, photography, or all of the above, One UI 7 is set to give your Galaxy device a whole new life. It's not just about flashy animations or trendy design. It's about delivering a smarter, more personal, and more useful experience every time you pick up your phone. Stick around for more in-depth walkthroughs of these new features in upcoming videos. And if you've made it this far, thank you. Let us know in the comments which feature you were most excited about. Hit that like button if this video helped you out, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the deep dives, comparisons, and tips we've got coming soon.